everyone, it's Tammy and I have an order here from City Color Cosmetics. You guys may remember that I got one of these in my FabFitFun box. I got a City Colors Cosmetics eyeshadow and I really liked it, but honestly there were two choices or two colors that you could have gotten. You could have gotten this one that was kind of like a reddish color that I said I was going to maybe use as blush because I didn't like it as an eyeshadow, but then there was another color that you could have gotten that was like a more of a color that I would normally wear. So I went online and found it, and they were very inexpensive. The eyeshadows were like $3 a piece, $3.99, so like $4 a piece. And it was called All Eyes on Me is the name of the one that I wanted to get. So I did, and they pack very well. Look how they package all these. And I had never used them before, so this is all new to me. But they had a thing where if you spent, I think $35, you got free shipping, and shipping was like 10 bucks. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and spend 35 bucks because who can't spend 35 bucks on makeup? I easily can. And look at all I got for my money. I mean, this is great. So some of this is for Katie, and I was going to give it to her for Christmas, but obviously it didn't arrive in time, and that's not their fault. I think I ordered it Christmas Eve, so it's not like it would have. But it is fast shipping. I just, now that Christmas is over and the presents are unwrapped, I'm kind of thinking I might just send it to her in a care package. So let's see, I did get her quite a few things. I got her this eyebrow kit, includes tweezers and dual-ended applicator. How about that? And it says dark brown, brown, taupe, and wax. Use the tweezers and then evenly distribute the wax and then fill in brows with powder. Mix colors to achieve the perfect shade and clean up brows if needed and lock color in with the tinted brow gel. Oh, lock in color with clear or tinted brow gel. So, I've always kind of wondered how you do that. So you're supposed to use that to put the wax on first. Well, tweeze it first and then use the mascara kind of wand to put the wax on, and then you fill it in with the powder with the brush. Okay. So that's really cute. And then I got her this set. She's a very neutrally kind of girl. Actually, these 4 colors would probably be colors that I would wear, but I wasn't going to get this whole thing just for me. But I thought that she might like it because I think that she'll wear most of these colors, and she might even wear some of those. But I thought those were pretty. So that's what she got. And then let's see. All Eyes on Me. I got 2 of those. One for me and one for her. And then I think these 2 are for me, and this one is for her, and this is for her. So this is one of the eyeshadow trios. Oh, it's got a thing on it, but you can hopefully see the colors. She likes she likes browns, so I thought that I would do that. And then I also got as each one of these lip color removals. I thought that this might even work with, oh, what are they called? Those ones that stick on your lips so well. Lip scents. So hopefully these will work with those. So that's what that is for. And then, so this is closed, so I'm not going to open it, but this is the color. It's Sandstorm. But I will open mine. So I got one called Oh So Naughty. And then I got All Eyes on Me, which is the one that you could have gotten in the FabFitFun winter box. Oh, and it's very pretty. It's like, it's a brown color, but man, is it shimmery and pretty. Oh, I love it. So that one's called All Eyes on Me, and this one is Oh So Naughty. I mean, $3.99. That's a pretty good deal. And look how pretty it is. I think that's lovely. I'd need to blend it for sure. But it is a very pretty color. I can certainly make those work even together. Just do some blending and yeah. Very pretty. Oh, I love them. For $3.99, that's really a good deal. Now I'm gonna get a baby wipe. Let's see how well it comes off. Very well. Wow, I am impressed. The price is right, and I'm impressed. Very nice. So all of that is trash. And then I also got these blotting papers. I thought that Katie might like these. I don't really get too oily, so I don't know that I'll keep any of these, but they helped me boost it up so I could get the $35. So there's 50 sheets in here though. So this is 150 sheets. I don't remember how much this was, but it wasn't much. But there's a blotting paper infused with green tea, just regular blotting paper, and blotting paper infused with rose. So very nice. Maybe I'll open one and I'll just open the regular. Refresh your look and remove excess oils without disturbing makeup. Take a sheet and pat it on shiny areas of the face to remove excess oils. Repeat with a fresh sheet as needed. So it just feels like tissue paper. Oh, and this says to peel that off. I don't know why. Huh. Why would I peel that off? Because that's going to stick to the sheet. Right? So maybe that pulls it out for you? Oh, it gives you just one. How cool is that? And then you can wipe it on your face. Oh, I do have some oils. Huh. And I don't even have like an oily face. I'm going to keep this one. She can have the other two. But that's kind of cool, and I love how it just pulls off one sheet for you. That's a great idea. Because I was kind of wondering how you'd do that. But you get 50 sheets in each one, so that's pretty decent too. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys check this out. Again, it's City Color, and I think that City Color Cosmetics. And I think that they have really good prices, and their product seems really good. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.